With over-the-air updates, we can improve your car's functionality and features remotely. Check for their availability to keep your car at its best. In addition to the car software, the infotainment apps receive updates as well. Check for them in the infotainment menu to always have the latest version, or just simply turn on automatic updates. While your electric Škoda requires less mechanical maintenance than a petrol or diesel car, regular visits to your service partner are still important. Select a service partner in your MyŠkoda app, and they will automatically contact you every 2 years or whenever the service is needed.